Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this tutorial episode, I will be guiding you through how to add cash payment on Uber Eats. So let's go ahead and dive into the video right away. But before beginning, let me tell you that cash payment may not be available in all the locations, so make sure to check if it's supported in your area. If it is, then you can open up a web browser and in the URL section type in ubereats.com and press enter. Also make sure that you are signed into your Uber Eats account. After you are logged into your account, click on the menu button at the upper left hand corner of the screen. In the expanded menu, click on Wallet. Now, under Payment Methods, click on Cash. If the cash option is available on your area, you can now follow through the instructions and you will then be able to choose cash as your payment method. Once you've added the cash as a payment method, you will be able to use it for your Uber Eats orders. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.